Welcome to another exciting episode on my channel. Today, we'll dive into the world of mics and how it works, tuning sine wave into electric signal. But that's not all. We are going hands-on with the module to interface with the Arduino, bringing the concept to life. I will guide you step by step through the process, from understanding the basics to building your own circuit in real life. Do well to stay to the ending of this video to get great insight and full detailed knowledge on how mics works and also how to interface with them. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. As I said in the intro of this video, I'm going to be interfacing with this module. Yeah, firstly, I'm going to be talking about mic, what is a mic, how do mic work, and every detail you should need to know. But also, I'm going to be interfacing with this module, which has a mic, so that you can understand it more better. So we do also stay to the end of this video to get great insight. I'm Supremacy by name, and let's dive in. Subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is a microphone. Yeah, let's first go into the mic module. I'm going to be discussing about microphone. Then I'm going to be telling you the basics of microphone, how the microphone actually works, what is it used for, and how does it actually works. Principles, everything you need to know about mic, I'm going to be telling you in this video before we jump into the Arduino project, which I'm going to be using Arduino microcontroller to interface with this module. So let's jump right in. Now, firstly, you're going to be saying what does a microphone looks like. A microphone looks like this. I should say microphone looks like this. In visual, it has positive and negative. This is where sound comes in, and this is the terminal which is connected to your circuit. So a microphone look like this in circuit format, I guess. The mic. So these are the terminals, and this is the mic in circuit form. And this is the mic in realistic form. So this is how it looks. So now you're gonna be saying, how does it actually works? There's actually noise in the area. I need to wait for this ceremony to pass, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back from that short break, and yeah, so sorry for that disturbance. It was actually some kind of ceremony which is going on. Okay, so back to the circuit. This is how a mic looks like in real form. This is a mic, and this is how it looks like in circuit. I don't know if I'm actually correct, but this is what I know. This is how a mic works. A mic actually converts sound energy into electricity. So it converts sound into electricity. So that is what mic actually does. It taking sound through this place right here, to this vent right here, and convert it into electricity. So depending on the type of sound which it receives, depending on the particular type of electricity which is produced. So this is how a mic is actually used, and it's this is the electricity which is produced and sent to a microcontroller, which actually converts it, decodes it, and actually send it to the speaker, and it's actually our voice. So actually right now in this video, I'm actually using my phone and actually using my microphone to record my voice. So the microphone makes it possible for me to record my voice, to send it to the phone and place it on the video. So this is basically how a mic works. Let's quickly go into the next one. Now here you can see a mic module. Yeah, this is actually a mic module, and this is basically made for sound detection. So it's actually a sound detection module, and you can see this is a microphone which I talked about in the last clip, and you can see the two terminals right here which are connected to the board, and this is the place which sound enters. So actually receive sound and turn it to electricity. According to electricity which you produce, it makes the sound signal, and I'm going to be using this mic module to interface with an Arduino. Now I want to make a clap sensor. Yeah, normally it receives sound, so I want to make a clap sensor. I want to clap twice. Then when I clap twice, it's going to send the signal to the Arduino, and it's going to turn on the LED. Yeah, I'm also going to be using a relay in this video. Yeah, this relay, the reason of this relay is to give you the schematic on how you can use it to control anything you want to control. You can control a large lamp, a television, a bulb, anything you want to control, home appliance at your home. This relay makes it possible for you to do that, and that is why I'm using the relay in this video. Actually, I'm not using the big bulb. I just want to use this 3-volt LED. I just want to power this 3-volt LED, but I'm using this relay to give you the insight that you can be able to connect large appliances and also control anything you want. As you can see, this is the relay right here. If you don't really know about relay, I made a video about a touch sensor, talked about relay a little bit. You can go check out that video, link below. And also these are the pins of the relays. Actually say signal, said you can see it right here. My camera can focus. It says signal, positive and negative. I don't know if you can see it well. And for the module of the mic, you can see the 4 pins right here. It says this pin is called analog, this one is called ground, the third is called the VCC, and this fourth one is uh, actually called digital pin. Yeah, DO. Why this AO is actually analog. So to make my circuit precise and accurate, I got some comments on my last video talking about the water level indicator, which I made that it may not be accurate because it's actually dealing with analog. But in this video, I'm going to be using this digital section so that it will be very accurate to make things well. And I'm so sorry that I have not still posted the Patreon. I've not still posted the Arduino code for my last video on my Patreon because I was doing some kind of editing on the coding because I had some issues and I want to straight all those issues before I post the code. So unfailingly, I'm going to be posting the code to you today. So in this case, I'm going to be using digital section to make my circuit precise, and also the brain of the circuit, the Arduino Uno. Yeah, I'm going to be using Arduino Uno to interact with this project. This is going to serve as a microcontroller, and this is going to receive the sound, send the signal to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller is going to decode it and turn on the LED or turn off the LED. So here is how the project works. When I clap twice, it's going to turn on the LED, and when I clap twice again, it's going to turn off the LED. I made a video of 1.45 minutes talking about review of this project, but I didn't make a full video breakdown on this project, and that is what I'm doing today. I also presented this project on a school presentation. Yeah, on a school presentation I presented this project, and that is why I want to make the full video right now. So if you want to go check out those clips, you can go check it out, link in the description. Let's quickly go into the video. Too much talks. Firstly, the thing that comes in hand is actually the programming. You need to program the Arduino, and I'm going to be leaving the Arduino code in my Patreon. So if you want to get the code and schematic and other details, do well to check out my Patreon, link in the description below to get full details. So firstly, we're going to be programming this module, and to make that possible, I'm going to be using an Arduino programming cable. This is an Arduino programming cable which is going to be using Arduino. This is going to be connected to your laptop, and this is going to be connected to the Arduino like this. So let's program. Okay, so this is the coding which I want to use in the Arduino. This is the coding which is going to be programmed to my Arduino. Let's quickly make the programming fast as possible. To make this circuit project possible, this is all the project items I need. Okay, that's enough for the review. Let's make the connection process. Now, the connection process are very simple, and I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. Here's how it works. The first pin is actually right here. This is the digital section pin. This digital pin is going to be connected to pin 2 of the analog section of the Arduino, pin 2 right here. And the relay section, the relay signal pin, is going to be connected to pin 3 of the Arduino analog section right here. Then the positive side of the relay is going to be connected to positive side of the Arduino. The ground is going to be connected to ground, and so as the module, the VCC is going to be connected to VCC of the Arduino, and the ground section of the module is going to be connected to the ground section of the Arduino. Then the bulb is going to be connected, one leg of the bulb, if it's positive side of the bulb is going to be connected to normally open right here. Normally open. Then the other side of the bulb is going to be connected to ground of the Arduino. Then this the common is going to be connected to positive side of the Arduino to make as a switch. If you want to get more full detailed knowledge, go check out that video. I talked little about Arduino. So let's get to it. Oh, I forgot about this breadboard right here. As I used in my last video, I actually used this breadboard to connect different 5V sources because this Arduino only have one 5V source. That's why I'm using this breadboard. So let's go into it. Also in this video, I didn't tell you about it. I want to make a range test. I'm also going to be testing the range test, how far it can hear my clapping. You're going to love this video. Do want to stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, let's test it out. you know, it's not basically any clapping. If you just hit the microphone twice, it's gonna turn on the LED. So anything like two times sound, you get? So let's check it out. Woo, it works. Fantastic. Check it out here. This is the bulb, and let me bring it closer. It works. It works. Oh my god, that's a malfunction. Let's test it in range. Let's go. Okay, fellas, this is the project, and I'm gonna test it out in range. This is my laptop powering the circuits, and I keep it very far away. So I'm gonna move backwards and keep clapping and see where it actually loses its signal respondance. I know I can just increase the knob right here to increase the sensitivity, but if I increase it a little bit, it's gonna be very sensitive. So this level which I turn it is actually balanced for me. Turning it in the clockwise direction, we actually increase the sensitivity, but turning it in anti-clockwise direction actually reduces the sensitivity. On my checking and testing it out, so I think that works properly. So I'm going to stand this in the tripod, and so like this. It's very far from me right now, so like I say, this is the circuit right now. Right here, I want you to viewers to pay attention to this LED right here. I'm gonna be moving every step. I'm gonna let you know, so just pay attention. And as I'm moving the steps, I'm gonna keep clapping and see where it's less sensitive. So let's check it out. So okay, I'm right here, and let's test it. First test. It turns on. It turns off. So I'm gonna move 2 steps backward, like so. 1, 2. Let me clap and see. It works. Yeah, it works. So I'm gonna move another 2 steps backward. 1, 2. So let's clap. As I move backward, I increase my intensity of clapping. Does not work. Oh, I think after 4 steps, it's really not responding. Let me increase my clap tension. It's not that sensitive. Let me come closer. 1, 2. The link in the description to my Patreon, where you can get the coding and other full detailed schematics. Thank you very much for watching the video to the ending. I really appreciate you. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also support me on Patreon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Okay, let's go.